Hello, beautiful ladies and girls. How are you? I hope you're fine. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Fashion Girly Hacks. Love sleeping in? Then you will love the texture pixie. It's the ultimate style for the girl on the go. No blow dry, no problem. Just stay dry. Add a teeny bit of texture cream and you are done. It looks better the messier it gets, and use some little bit of hair gel or a sea salt spray. Apply to hair, and very helpful serum and gel and spray of your hairstyling and maintenance of hairs a long time. Want to switch it up? A simple headband or cute clip takes this look from casual to chic in 5 seconds. And so beautiful ideas of low maintenance hairstyles in different haircut: pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut, and so attractive eye-catching hair dye. So girls and ladies, stop fighting your hair and start living your life. Short, stylish, and zero stress. That the power of the cut. I hope you must try it and share with me your experience, and if you need and if you want a different low maintenance hairstyles, anything, please must share with me, and as soon as possible I'll become latest and new ideas for you. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share my video. Take care and bye bye.